I thought the budgeting video was getting a little too long, so I made a part 2. I have changed my wallet yet again. Listen, the fun part about cash stuffing, being a cash stuffer, is you just get to change out your wallet and just have fun with it, and whatever works for you, just do it. Hey friends, hey, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Symone. You guys already know who it is. It is your favorite cash stuffer. All right, so I'm back to black. I'm back to my black Croc style. It's just smaller, and I changed out my bag, so I just needed to have something more smaller so that it works with what we got going on. I changed out the subheadings for some of the envelopes, but if you watched the budgeting video before watching this one, you've already seen that, right? Okay, so for groceries, I've budgeted $600 for the month, but I get paid bi-weekly, so I am just going to do my cash stuff in bi-weekly. I just find that to be a little bit more easier and manageable. So I budgeted $600 for groceries. So for the first 2 weeks, I'm going to be adding $300 into my grocery budget. In total, I will be cash stuffing $415. All right, so let's go ahead and count out $300 for my groceries. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 3. So 300 will be going into my grocery account. The problem with having these smaller, or the A7 cash wallet, is I didn't like fold in my money, but it gives you so much more space in your bag or whatever, and it's a little neater, so we're just gonna try to make it work. Okay, which it's not looking like it's gonna work. We're trying here. Let's see, let's try another way. How about if we fold it like in a complete half? Let's see if that will work. It's not going to look the neatest, but we're just gonna try a thing. Let's just do that. I hope I don't have to go back to my regular size wallet, or maybe I need to pull bigger bills. Okay, moving on to transportation. That includes gas and all of that transportation situation. Okay, I budgeted $120 for the month, so for the first 2 weeks I will be adding $60. Next up, we have shopping. I budgeted $40 for the month, so I'm going to go ahead and put $20, and that is just shopping for random stuff. Personal, I budgeted $50, so for the first 2 weeks, I will do $25. Housing, I didn't do anything because April I did quite a bit, and sometimes a lot of the stuff that I pick up for the housing, like the household stuff, I tend to put that on the grocery bill. So we'll just see if this envelope is even valid. I'll just leave it there for now though. And for miscellaneous, I did budget $40, and I am going to put $10 for the first 2 weeks and kind of see how that works out. Okay, and that is everything. But before I go, I do have some change from the previous month for April, and since we're starting a new month, and look at my money about to just pop out. Since we're starting a new month, I'm just going to go ahead and clean that out. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. So we've cleaned out the change pouch. Let's try to close this bad boy up. She is given thicker than a Snicker. That is all done. So I do have some change here. I don't know if we can count it, I have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. So that is 775 in total in coins. I'm just going to go ahead and add that to my coin jar, which it's kind of new. We are repping the Toronto Maple Leaf. Go Leafs go. And this will be my new saving container for this year. Funny story behind this. Do you guys remember Avon? This is from when my mom used to purchase from Avon, and I got this. I remember like having her get this for me, and I had it for years and years and years. You could see it's tattered, it's worn, and I never got an opportunity to fill it up. When I moved to my new apartment, I came across it. I had it all this time. So I'm like, I'm gonna use it, right? And rep the Leafs. Why not? It's so big, like we're literally right up close and personal. Okay, so that is it. Go Leafs go.